Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable touchscreen in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand WISP. Click Touch. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type TouchGate, T and G are capital letters. Change base to hexadecimal. Change value data to 0. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.